Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sign in into UPDF. So let's get straight into it. Now, if you have downloaded the software, you will see here at the top right corner the person icon. So here you can log in. Alright, so you will see welcome to UPDF, and just here you will see a green button login. So click on that. And yeah, you can continue with Google, Apple, or you can just type in the email which you want to use. So I will go with Google. Alright, so this will navigate you to the web page here, and then open UPDF, just like that, simple as it can be. Let's see what we have here now. And yeah, this is it. So now I'm logged in into UPDF, and this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.